In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of a missing search bar in Google Chrome. If you found yourself frustrated by the disappearance of this essential feature, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Let's walk through a few simple steps to get your search bar back up and running smoothly. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. Once it's open, navigate to the top right corner of your window. You'll notice a three-dot icon, which represents the menu button. Click on that and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From there, select Settings. This is where we will access the necessary options to resolve our issue. Now that you're in the Settings pane, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find a sidebar with various options. Click on the one that says Search Engine. This is where we can adjust how searches are handled within Chrome and ensure that our settings are correctly configured. Under the Search Engine section, you'll see a heading titled Search Engine Used in the Address Bar. Click on the drop-down menu next to it, and you'll find a selection of different search engines available. Make sure you select Google from this list. It's important that Google is set as the default search engine if you want your address bar to function properly as a search tool. By following these steps, you should find that your search bar is back where it belongs, helping you access the information you need quickly and efficiently. If, after trying these steps, you're still experiencing issues, it may be worth restarting your browser or even your whole system to ensure that all settings are fully applied. Additionally, checking for any available updates to Chrome can be a helpful step in ensuring that everything is running as it should. Here's a quick recap. Start by clicking on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Choose Settings, then navigate to the Search Engine option in the left sidebar. Finally, make sure that Google is selected as your search engine within the address bar setting. With these adjustments, your search bar should reappear and be fully functional once again. Thank you for joining me today to fix this common but frustrating issue with Google Chrome. I hope this walkthrough has been clear and helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy browsing!